Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, I am here in the middle of the Karoo in the Western Cape. I thought I'd just comment on how beautiful it is out here. The nature, the fresh air, the open fields, the mountainous horizons. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. So beautiful out here. And it feels so tranquil. You know, in the city life, at least with Cape Town, alhamdulillah, there's a good balance between nature and, buildings and traffic and all that. However, it's still the case that when we are in the city, we don't get that type of feeling. We are always just, our minds are clouded with, work, hustle life, traffic, noise, crime, all these types of things. And out here, it's so different. Right now, I can hear the birds, I can hear the trees, with the wind playing through it. I can hear the quietness. You can hear the bees, insects buzzing in the distance. Subhanallah, this is beautiful. And to pursue this type of lifestyle is really something worth going for, considering that it can provide a lot of healing, a lot of physical, emotional, spiritual healing. To be out in nature and to be out into a place where there's not too much happening. With nature itself, it submits itself to Allah, and it acts on its instincts. It doesn't overindulge. It doesn't require excess. And similarly, if we apply that to ourselves as well, rely on Allah, tawakkal Allah in a let's say more pure form, where we ourselves don't engage ourselves with corporatism, materialism, consumerism, and we live off just the basic, and we do what we can to survive. I think there's peace in that, and there's tranquility in that. And if we can do this as a collective, as a community, I think that would be quite a tremendous thing that we have done for ourselves. If we can provide, we can teach these things to our children. If we can let them understand what life is truly about, and where to find a sense of stability and peace. Not that peace is meant for dunya. Complete peace is meant for dunya, but of course we want to live simply. We want to abide to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as far as we can. And of course, within the city life, it's not that much of a straightforward thing. It's there's a lot of hurdles in the way when it comes to practicing our deen in a pure form, as far as we can. Out here, there's a little bit of freedom you can feel. There's no one really trying to influence you, you're not trying to keep up with the Joneses, you're not trying to hustle. Subhanallah. It's a very I'm taking the time to appreciate this, and it's been a year since just less than a year, but about a year since I've last been here, and one can feel that one would need this more often, you know. Again, look how beautiful it looks out here. Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khairan.